In today's video, I am going to teach you how to delete a plan in Microsoft Planner. To begin, open Microsoft Planner in your web browser and go to the plan you want to remove. In this example, you will navigate to your plan, such as a plan named New Plan, and make sure you are looking at the plan's main page. You will usually land on the board view, where you can see buckets and tasks. Take a moment to confirm you are in the correct plan, because deleting a plan is meant to be permanent, and it can remove access for everyone who is using it. Once you are inside the plan, look near the top of the page for the plan name. This is the area you will use to access the plan settings. Click directly on the plan name, or on the highlighted plan title area at the top. This opens a small menu or header panel connected to the plan, where you can find more options for managing it. Next, find and select Plan Details. This option opens the Details panel for the plan, where Planner stores settings and administrative actions. If you do not immediately see plan details, look closely around the same top area where the plan name appears, since Planner places these controls in the plan header and they can be easy to miss. After you click Plan Details, click Plan Details again within the panel to fully open the plan information area. Depending on your screen size and layout, the first click may open the menu and the second click may focus the specific details section. When the Plan Details section is open, you will be in the right place to proceed with deleting the plan through the available plan management options. As a practical tip, before you delete anything, pause and verify the plan name one more time. If you are working in multiple plans that look similar, it is easy to select the wrong one. Also keep in mind that you may need the right permissions, such as being an owner of the Microsoft 365 group connected to the plan, for delete options to appear. That covers everything you need to know.